Okay, does the new funnel system work? Will it get people excited to be members and even join as affiliates? Okay, because there's two things to consider when you get that Save Club, let's say email, or somehow maybe you're looking online, TikTok, Instagram, could be Facebook. All right, maybe you're just screwing off on YouTube like me, looking at car wrecks and plain wacky stuff and high speed chases. YouTube, oh my God, you could definitely waste a lot of time and you could also make a lot of money. Okay. I've been making full time income for 2 years now. Okay. Since April of 2023. So right now, let's see, it is May. So I got 2 years and 1 month under my belt. And I'll tell you what, I've got this online thing down pretty darn good. Okay. I've got a lot of incomes online right now. And it's at the point where every 30 days when I total up everything, boy, it's amazing. I did not go to college. I got booted out of high school. I had my son Casey about an hour out of high school, or his mom did. I kind of helped a lot. I did kind of half the work. During the birthing process, I just sat there and kind of hung out, but I kind of had I had something to do with my son being born. Okay, more of the fun side than the painful side. But no one ever accused me of being a college yuppie with those little penny loafer cute shoes on and the BMW going to Harvard. All right, but I'm street smart as a mofo. I'll tell you what, I prefer my education. I earn and I learn at the same time, and I've learned the hard way. Okay, and what I mean by that is usually by losing money, okay, or wasting time. All right, now that I'm almost 60 years old, I know that my sand in my hourglass is more at the bottom than at the top. So I don't waste time on things that, number one, aren't fun and don't entertain me. Number two, I don't waste time on things that don't make me money. Okay. Because if I want to waste time on things that are kind of fun and free, well, look at my walls. Do you think I like to build Legos, collect things, go to car shows, ride bikes, build Lego kits, collect Kiss stuff, listen to music, buy mini fridges, and try to buy as many fridge magnets as possible? Do you know I have over 200 fridge magnets just in this room? Because I have 3 of these mini fridges. And if you see, even on the left side, I've got a filing cabinet with about, oh God, easily 60 more. So if I have an abundance of cash, I buy fridge magnets, which is really dumb. But I love them. I love those darn fridge magnets. Okay, I want you to pay bills. I want you to pay your mortgage, rent, car payment, insurance payment, gas. Do you have gas or diesel? All right, all my bikes, trucks, and Hummers and cars, they all take diesel and gas. All right, I don't buy electric. I'm not one of those electric Tesla type car guys yet. I like gasoline, big block engines, tons of horsepower, torque. All right. And it costs more money because most of my cars have to use 91 octane because I have high performance vehicles with superchargers. And I have to be able to afford just a little bit more per gallon. And you know what? By working online, making it fun, when I fill up, I don't even care. I just fill it up. I hear that little ch-ch, and boom, I look at the gas pump and go, oh, wow. One of my SUVs, it takes $150 to fill up. That's just one fill up. That's crazy. That's nuts. I mean, I'd say half my friends and almost everyone watching my video probably have to take almost half a day or a full day even to make that much. Okay. Some people do make a substantial amount of money. And my friends that do, they tell me you should save money wherever you can. Just because you have an abundance of cash coming in, don't be pissing it away. That's kind of a phrase that I appreciate. Because when you do have an abundance of something, it's easy to kind of spill the milk. All right. You have too much water and you just kind of, I don't know, you just kind of toss it aside and then you're thirsty as crap going, oh my God, why didn't I save even my ice that was melted? Okay. And when it comes to cash, I've been guilty. The same thing when I have that aura, that feeling that I'm having like $100 burning a hole in my pocket. You can bet I'm on eBay looking at Farrah Fawcett dolls. I'm looking at fridge magnets or Kiss lamps. Okay. But you've got to control your money. And when you got more than coming in than your bills, okay, then you can sit back and go, do I need to fix a tooth? Maybe buy some crazy glasses like these bad boys that are only $9 at Walmart. Oh, don't they make me look kind of smart, kind of? Like one more brain cell? Or are they all falling out like my hair? All right. I do, for the record, have the biggest forehead in Save Club. So thank goodness I can probably save on headgear called hats. Okay, when I go to Walmart, I can probably get maybe $5 off on a badass baseball cap, or maybe like a beanie. All right, just put it over my whole face, make me look real young. Okay, keep the price tag on, and then I can return it after each video. That's called being a tight ass. Is that where the ladies, they used to wear dresses to the prom, keep the price tag on and then return it after? All right, except minus stains, hopefully. I see that in the movies sometimes. But let's get back to you making money, because you can make money and save money with Save Club. I know you can. Otherwise, I wouldn't waste time doing this video knowing that you can't do it, because if you can do it and you make money, guess what? I make more money. All right? I can't be more brutally honest than that. If you make money, I make money. Do you think I'm going to help you when you sign up in my group to make more money? You bet your sweet ass I am. Okay? And I'm going to do it with free pictures, free banners, free video already made that you can just upload and go crazy. Upload them all over the place. Instagram, even if you don't know what you're doing, just go to YouTube, how to upload a video on Instagram, how to upload a video on TikTok, how to upload a video on YouTube, and how to upload a video on Facebook. And the worst that can happen is you just put a link to Save Club and let people figure it out. Okay, in my case, I have two. I love Save Club because I really do. I don't like it. I don't kind of dig it. I love it. So I bought this. And guess what? It goes to a link where you're going to watch a short video. And if you want to sign up, just enter your name and hit that little orange button. Let's get you in Save Club. But we need to do it now. You need to join as an affiliate. So get three $20 bills. Get that $60 ready. And let's invest it. And then in the first week, I want you to get it back. Because everything I do is designed, bam, speed, fast. Okay? Swipe left, right, up, down. Okay? Attention spans in 2025, pretty short, right? It's already almost June in about 10 days. Okay, if you join Save Club, that's awesome. I'm going to do everything I can to get you in my group, get you training, get you all the materials, but look into Save Club funnels too. Okay, does it work? It sure does. It does. The funnel systems work. If you get like a brain just fog where you don't know what you're doing, okay, I can't be, by your side 24 hours a day helping you, but the funnel system can take over and go relax. Just send people to my link and I'll take over for 20 minutes and tell everybody in extreme detail about Save Club, even the comp plan. There's no comp plan videos made yet. There is with our funnel system. That funnel system now has brought me in, I'm going to top over $700 extra this month and next month, because the funnel system brings me $20 per person that signs up, including you. And you're going to do the same thing. Because right now, if you sign up with Save Club, I make like $20. Okay? But next month and on to the break of dawn, guys, I'm going to have hundreds of people in my funnel. And it's going to be your funnel too. And each person, that's an extra $20 in my pocket. So just 5 people with that funnel, there's another $100. And I can see myself getting 50 to 100 extra people, and I think you can do it too. Because the funnel system, I think it's required. I kind of wish that the funnel system was included with joining Save Club as a condo, or a combo. Now, if you need to buy a condo, all right, call a realtor. But if you want a combo, peanut butter and jelly, yin and yang, dill and dough, all right, and Save Club and Save Club funnels. All right, I think they're just magnificent. Okay, they seem to work. I mean, I've had 3 signups in the last couple days, and by gosh, I'm even on the leaderboard. All right, it puts me in the top 10. You guys can see in the whole world, there I am, number 9, it looks like. All right, looks like my buddy Ed and some other great friends. All right, but look at that, all over the world, man. Look, there's a Brit. Is that Britain? Oh, look, there's a Japan with Ed, and there's Japan with TT. All right, and there's another Japan, and there's, let's see, there is a Canada. I don't know what that is. Judah Sumaka Jorda. That's a badass name. That sounds like an action figure. My name sounds kind of boring. There's a cool one. Yadira Barbosa. All right, Cory Draper. I think I don't know. How about Cory Bam Bam Draper? How about Cory Wham Bam Draper? Okay. I need to get a cooler name. But I think you're going to enjoy this. Okay. I want you to get this Save Club going. But when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, you're going to go to this page right here. Watch this video of our CEO. Good guy. It's only 6 minutes. Fill out this information. Hit that orange button. Let's get you in. Just hurry and join now. We're in the pre-launch mode. Today is May 20th. We got 10 days before everything is set free. Public's going to go, what is this Save Club? This is a worldwide Groupon, in my opinion. Okay, it's definitely worth doing. This is the beginning stages. I've already made about 3,000, I think 100, and I'm going to get paid Friday, and it should be a nice check too. Okay, you get paid every Friday. And I'm going to teach you everything I know so you make money so I can make money. Okay, brutally honest. All right, I can't be any more honest than that. I would like you to make more money, and I am not kidding. Okay, so anyway, if you want to look into the funnel system, go to Save Club Funnels with an S. Okay, I'm going to promote both links because I think you both need them, like that peanut butter and jelly, guys. Put your email in there, show me the video. If you're already in Save Club, then just hit the right button that says Get the Funnel. Because if you haven't joined Save Club, it's going to ask you first. If you've already joined it, then just go to step 2, okay? So let me just show you both links. Super simple, guys. Okay, I can't make this opportunity any more easy. You're going to save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. This is a worldwide thing from Asia to Africa, right here on the dirt of good old America. Yes, even Canada and Mexico, because we share the same little chunk of dirt in the ocean, okay? So get excited. I know you can do this. All right. My contact information, Cory@CoryDraper.com. But you got to watch those videos before you contact me because I want you to get excited, write down questions, and then email them to me. I'll gladly make an email or I'll make a video about your email message. Okay. More than likely, I've already made one and I'll send you a video link to it. But I like when you guys write me. It means you're interested. You're taking it serious. And I want you to be an affiliate. Okay. Because affiliate, that means money. $60, that's it. 1997, save your buns off on cool stuff, and you guys will work that out. I have no doubt you can do this, okay? All right, guys, I'll end this. Another 12 minutes. I try to make my videos 10. I can't get things done in 10 minutes. I can talk for hours about Save Club. So, all right, get excited. All right, visit those links. Let's get you signed up today, and let's get you earning and learning and maybe burning too. What do you want to burn? You want to burn some candles or something? Okay. Look, I just got this one. It is cinnamon sugar pecan. Oh, man, that smells delightful. Do you guys want to burn a candle with me? Do you want to earn and learn and then burn? Okay, look, I tell you, and I'm not smoking weed. Every time I have a lighter with long hair and tattoos, they're like, what are you doing to get all that energy for your videos? How do you do 5 to 10 a day? Well, the trick is sugar pecan candles, okay? They're actually burning right now. I don't know if you can actually see. Okay, can you see? All right. Man, that smells good. All right, guys, you take care. Thanks for your time. I have a lot of fun doing these videos, and I sure appreciate you watching them. All right, take care. Get a hold of me if you need something. Talk to you later.